के 6:05 हो रहे हैं। हाँ सिंगाड़िया का है, सिंगाड़िया तुम वहाँ गए था? Hi guys, again, as you can see, a lot of construction work going on the roads.
So guys, as you know, the Wolfpack motorcycle club is doing this Spiti round, and as bikers we all go to various destinations and we enjoy ourselves, but this time we thought that we'll do something good for the children on the way and even in Spiti. So we've bought some coloring books, some colors, some stationery for the kids. And we found these two kids who are here helping their parents. So we'll be handing them some books and some colors.
आपके लिए कॉपी है, एक आपके लिए कॉपी है। तो बड़े हो जाओ, पढ़ लिख के अच्छे से, और डैडी मम्मी को सपोर्ट करना उनके लिए। ये भी सबको आराम करना, आराम देना, ठीक है। और हिंदुस्तान के आपको क्या बोलोगे, कौन से प्राउड सिटीजन बनना।
बेटा आप लोग यहाँ कौन से स्कूल जाते हो? अच्छा, कौन सी क्लासेस में आप दोनों?
फोर्थ में, मैं थर्ड में।
अरे वेरी गुड।
It's almost evening now. We just had our lunch at a village called Chargaon on the way to Thiog, and we are running a bit late. We should have reached Narkanda by now. It's 5:15 in the evening. For the past 12-13 kilometers the road has become very patchy, so a lot of bumps. The speeds that we are doing have come down from 60, 70 to 30 to 40 k's per hour. Going through the rustic life. It's 6:45. It's all dark in the hills. The sun has set. And we are around 10 to 15 kilometers away from Theo. And further we need to go to Narkanda, which is again another 30 odd kilometers. So yeah, a bit of night riding happening today, day 2. Guys, it's almost 8. We are very close to Narkanda, but there is dense fog. In fact, this is not fog, this is like we are riding through the clouds. So the visibility is very low. And if I switch off my fog lamps, I can hardly see 5 meters. So very challenging terrain, but yeah, still going